Thank you.
I'm be full by the time my real food, my real food.
That ain't real food. I don't see how people can get appetizers.
Now you can eat all that and some other food.
This was my real food until I wanted to.
Now you did she at the taco place.
And they eat nothing. Just wasting money.
Bro, I'm eating.
Oh, we gotta get Bella some food. She ain't eating 2 days.
Good.
Here we go to drink. Niyah, order Bella some food real quick.
Okay.
Why you saying? Oh, you on your phone.
I gave her the rest of the night tacos last night.
No, you didn't. I ate them all.
I gave her one.
Before I left.
I gave her one.
before I left, but went in the room.
I gave her one. Before you went in the room, no, you didn't. You was in the room and it was on the thing.
But before I went in the room, I ate it. What I wanted.
Exactly. I gave her the rest.
I just sounded so slow.
I know you do it.
I ate it all, and then it was the hard part.
Nature, go to sleep. Nature, go to bed.
She gonna fall off.
She doing stuff.
Go to bed, Nature. Go to bed. You get in the car with your mama. Where'd she get that from?
She just started doing it today.
Girl.
You're not getting no fry off the road. I'm full.
No.
Look at this.
No.
That's a lot of food. You have to
You ain't even eat.
No.
You have to
I ate more than you.
Say
I had 8 wings. 10 wings. I got 3 left. You got.
Nature. Say Niyah.
How many wings you got? 20?
They gave me like 20.
Wow.
Niyah.
Huh.
get at the
You better right drop it.
Just throw it.
Say Nana. Nana. Nana.
She be saying area.
Now you don't believe that.
That she be saying my name.
Next year, I can get some. That was.
Now you delusional.
Oh,
She be saying
it was. It did sound like she was saying area. No, she was like. She said something else.
She say yeah. What you say? Yeah. Or something.
Watching the live shoot right in front of us. Right in front of us.
Y'all got to turn it.
Thank y'all. Talk about I forgot to turn it. Girl, thank you.
I was busy watching nature.
Nature's sick.
Because I just been strolling, then you popped up.
Nature.
Because I'm not on following. Then you.
I'm finna turn my notifications on.
For what?
Cause I'm tired of this stuff.
Girl, they shouldn't be bothering you as much as you, and they be what?
What my other shoe?
Jackson.
Don't nobody text me. That's the problem.
Good,
She got my
I've
purse.
been going by boom, boom. And you be
Text
sweet.
message.
Yeah.
Well, I'm at Applebee's. Hope you don't got nothing in there. You just want to break it. Move. Let it go. Move. Move. You so dramatic.
She's so bored. She want to get up and walk so bad.
You want to keep pulling on me? Bro.
Ugh, that's nasty. Stop.
My Snapchat. Damn it.
Who want her? Y'all can have her. There go my other food.
Street chicken and shrimp.
Me.
Oh, you don't even know what that is.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I have a black fish and salmon.
This is my other food, y'all.
You got my sauce. Oh, let me bring that.
I got mozzarella sticks, hot wings, and fries, and I got chicken.
Girl.
Well, in another one.